Zuant started about 20 years ago, and we built up a really good business. Corporate clients all around the world, they all had a shared problem of actually capturing leads. They'd spend millions of dollars on a special looking booth. It was always crazy not to capture the leads from visitors to the booth and make sure they were followed up correctly. Conference and show organizers, they started to create these dreadful virtual exhibitions. You'd have rows of exhibition booths, and you were expected as a visitor to go and click on a link and maybe fill out a form, but it was just completely inanimate. So the whole idea behind Zuant 3D, using Matterport as our central partner on this, is adding that engagement that you don't get from those terrible virtual shows. You're greeted by a human being, just like we're talking at the moment, just as you would be received on a reception desk at a live show. We're recording who's in the space, what they're looking at, how long they spend looking at different things. All of that data becomes much richer than a lead you'd get from a face-to-face. The next step is going to be applying AI to this. We'll be able to come up with a profile by client of those that are likely to be customers, rather than following up in a generic way with an individual. This is much more immersive and provides much more data to follow up on. So that's why we're excited that this is a whole new sales channel that really hasn't been exploited yet.